Whether you're getting spam messages, inappropriate messages, or you simply just don't want your boss to know what you're doing on LinkedIn, you can block them. In this video, I'm showing you how to block and unblock someone on LinkedIn using your phone. Let's get into it. This is a quick LinkedIn tutorial on how to block and unblock someone on LinkedIn if you're doing this on your phone. So I've already searched the person. As you can see, Anna for We Apply. This is the person that I want to block. So I'm going to click on the three little dots right here, and right there you'll see report or block. I'm going to click on that, and then it says block Anna for We Apply, and I am going to go ahead and block this person. So this basically means that it will look like I'm inactive on LinkedIn to this person. The only place where this becomes challenging, where the person can know that you are still on LinkedIn, is if somebody else tags you in the same post as that person. The person will still see your name, but it'll just be blocked out so that they can't click on it. So that's the only challenge, but ultimately they can't reach out to you, they can't contact you. You're basically non-existent on LinkedIn for them. So let's say you have a change of heart and you now want to unblock this person. So you're going to go to the little icon there with your picture, and then you head to settings. From there, you're going to go to visibility, and then you will head to blocking. You block the person. So as you can see, I have a lot of people blocked. So we're going to find Anna for We Apply, and they're right here. So block them 4 minutes ago. What I want to do is now unblock them. You're going to enter your password, and then you will go ahead and unblock the person. So that is how you block and unblock someone on LinkedIn. I have another video where I share 3 LinkedIn privacy hacks that you need to know to protect your privacy on the platform, and you can check it out right here.